Today, I am reviewing the CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine 20 bar. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who truly appreciates a good espresso or loves the idea of creating cafe-quality coffee drinks right at home, the CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine is definitely worth considering. This compact, stylish, and efficient espresso maker offers a powerful combination of professional features wrapped up in a user-friendly design, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and more experienced coffee enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the CASABREWS Espresso Machine is its professional 20-bar Italian pump. This is the kind of pressure you'd expect to find in high-end commercial espresso machines. Why does pressure matter? Because the right pressure forces hot water through the coffee grounds at just the right speed and intensity, extracting rich flavors and producing that coveted creamy layer of crema on your espresso shot. With 20 bars of pressure and a 1,350-watt boiler powering the system, you're getting a machine that delivers consistent, fragrant, and full-bodied espresso every time. What's really handy for those who want a little more control is the built-in pressure gauge. This feature isn't always found on home espresso machines, but it makes a big difference. It allows you to monitor the pressure as your coffee brews, giving you the ability to adjust your tamping or grind size to tailor the espresso exactly to your taste. Whether you like your coffee strong and intense or smooth and mellow, this gauge helps you dial in the perfect shot. Another impressive aspect is the milk frothing system. The CASABREWS CM5418 comes with a powerful steam wand designed to produce creamy, velvety microfoam milk, just like what you get in your favorite cafe. This means you can make rich cappuccinos, smooth lattes, or even flat whites with ease. The steam wand gives you enough power to create beautiful milk texture quickly, and with a bit of practice, you can even create latte art right in your kitchen. It's an excellent way to impress guests or just elevate your own coffee experience. The machine's compact and stylish stainless steel design makes it a great fit for any kitchen or office counter, regardless of space constraints. Its small footprint means it doesn't take up much room, but don't let the size fool you. The performance is powerful. The 34-ounce removable water tank is another practical feature, letting you brew multiple cups without constant refilling. Plus, the fact that it's removable means refilling and cleaning the tank is quick and hassle-free. Included with the espresso maker are essential accessories like the portafilter, tamper with spoon, and both single and double cup brewing filters. These tools allow you to make either 1 or 2 shots of espresso, depending on your preference, making this machine very versatile. Brewing your favorite coffee drinks takes just minutes, which is perfect for busy mornings or casual weekends. A few practical tips to keep in mind. It's important not to brew espresso immediately after frothing milk. The machine needs a little cool down time to prevent overheating. If you try to brew right away, the machine's overheat protection might activate, causing the indicator lights to flash. The instruction manual includes clear steps on how to properly cool down the machine so you can continue without issues. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, too. The filter basket and portafilter are easy to remove and clean, helping keep your machine in top condition for the best tasting coffee every time. In conclusion, the CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine offers excellent value with professional-grade pressure, a powerful steam wand, and a compact, elegant design. Whether you're a beginner looking to make your first espresso or an enthusiast aiming for cafe-quality drinks at home, this machine provides a great balance of power, ease of use, and style. If you want to enjoy rich, aromatic espresso, lattes, and cappuccinos without the cost or hassle going to a coffee shop, the CASABREWS CM5418 is definitely a machine to consider.